Welcome back with another example. The question is, using mesh current analysis, find the current through 20 ohm in the circuit shown in figure below. Here is the circuit with 100 volt is a voltage source, and here current is of 10 ampere, and all the resistance are 10 ohm except this 24. In this question, we need to find the current in 24 ohm. Okay, so I'll rewrite the diagram and I will name that diagram. Okay, so before rewriting, look into this. Here I got a current source. See, this is we got current source, and here is the voltage source. So I have to form the planar structure for the mesh current analysis. I have to convert this current source into voltage source. Here it is difficult to convert this current source into voltage source because we have two resistance which is connected in the different format. So what we can do is, we will first convert this voltage source into current source. Later these two current source will be in parallel. The current source in parallel will be easily added. Okay, first I will rewrite the diagram and I will give this name here only. This is A, B, C, D, E, F and G. See, here I have converted this voltage source into current source, so that I is equal to V by R. What is V? V is 100 volt, the R is the 10 ohm which is in series, and the answer is this will become 10 ampere. See, the resistance which is in parallel with the voltage source, now it will become resistance which is in series with the voltage source, now it becomes parallel with the current source. And remaining components are as it is. This is 24. So these two current sources of same amplitude, whatever might be, they will be get added. They will be get added to form a single current source. Okay. Okay. Here only I make the corrections. So that is 10 plus 10. This will become 20 ampere. This will become 20 ampere, and this is 10 ohm as it is. Later, this can be converted into a voltage source. That can be converted into an voltage source as shown. Formula for voltage source is V is equal to I into R. What is I? I is now 20, R is 10. So that it becomes 200 volt. That becomes 200 volt. And now this will become in series. That is 10 ohm. And the remaining circuit is as it is. Okay. 10 ohm. This is also 10, 10, 10. And this is 24. What now we do? We have simplified that. We will assume that mesh current, this is I1. Wherever I take I1, that is the mesh 1, and this is I2, and this is I3. Now applying, okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and this is H. H. Okay, applying KVL, mesh. From mesh, A, B, C, H, D, A. From mesh A, B, C, H, D, A. See, I1 is the current here. So that I1 is the current of that mesh 1. So 10 plus 10 plus 10, totally 30 I1. 10 ohm, here 10, here 10. So the 30 I1 minus this 10 is shared between mesh 1 and mesh 2. So minus 10 I2. And this 10 is shared between mesh 1 and mesh 3. So minus 10 I3. Minus 10 I3 is equal to, in my path, this is from negative to positive. So this becomes 200. This is one equation. Call this as the equation 1. Call this as the equation 1. Equation 1. Similarly, from mesh, that is C, E, F, H, C. So that is here I2 will be positive. So this 10 ohm is shared between I1 and I2. So that minus 10 I1. And you got 10, 10, 10. Totally this is plus 30 I2. And this 10 ohm is shared between I2 and I3. So that minus 10 I3. But it is not having any voltage source. So it is equal to 0. This is the equation 2. Similarly, from mesh, H, F, G, D, H, this third mesh, this 10 ohm is shared between 1 and 3, so minus 10 I1. This 10 ohm is shared between 2 and 3, so that minus 10 I2. And this for mesh 3, 10 plus 10 plus 24, it is 44 I2. 44 I2. And this is not having any voltage source, so this is 3. So solving this, how to solve? Solving this, we get I1 is equal to 8.97 ampere and I2 is equal to 3.97 ampere and I3 is equal to 2.94 ampere. Is equal to 2.94 ampere. So this is the answer what you get. In the question it has been asked that the current through 24 ohm. See in there it is nothing but the current through 24 ohm is nothing but it is the I3. What is value? This is 2.94 ampere. Okay, we'll come with another problem.